Feeling stuck, overwhelmed, like your brain is running in circles? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, we overload our minds with endless tasks, worries, and information. But here's the good news. You can hit the reset button. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your brain and find clarity, focus, and peace. Let's dive in. Step 1. Declutter your mind. Imagine a messy room. Papers everywhere, dishes piled up. That's what your brain looks like when you're overwhelmed. The first step to resetting is to declutter. Take 10 minutes to do a mental dump. Write down everything that's bothering you, your to-do list, and your worries. Just like clearing your desk, clearing your mind creates space for focus and creativity. Example: remember the last time you cleaned your room and suddenly felt lighter? The same principle applies to your mind. Give yourself that clarity. Step 2. Take a digital detox. Technology is amazing, but it's also one of the biggest sources of mental fatigue. Notifications, emails, and social media drain your attention. Commit to a digital detox. Start with just an hour a day. Turn off your devices and let your brain breathe. Example: think about this. Have you ever gone on vacation and realized how much more alive you felt without constant notifications? That's the power of unplugging. Step 3. Reset your routine. Sometimes your brain gets stuck because your routine has become stale. Break the monotony. Try a new activity, wake up at a different time, or even take a different route to work. Novelty sparks new neural pathways, helping your brain reboot. Example: think about how energized you feel after trying something new, like a hobby or a trip. That's your brain thanking you for shaking things up. Step 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is like pressing the pause button for your brain. Spend 5 minutes a day focusing on your breath or doing a simple meditation. This helps calm your racing thoughts and brings you back to the present. Example: have you ever sat by the ocean and just listened to the waves? That calmness you feel is mindfulness in action. Step 5. Get moving. Physical movement resets your brain by releasing endorphins, improving circulation, and clearing mental fog. You don't need a gym membership. Just a quick walk or dance to your favorite song can work wonders. Example: ever notice how a walk clears your head after a tough day? That's your brain resetting through movement. Step 6. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking might feel productive, but it's one of the fastest ways to overwhelm your brain. Reset by focusing on one task at a time. Use the 25-minute Pomodoro technique to stay engaged and finish efficiently. Example: have you ever completed a big project and felt incredible afterward? That's the power of single tasking. Step 7. Get enough sleep. Sleep isn't just rest. It's your brain's reset button. During sleep, your brain clears out toxins, consolidates memories, and prepares for the next day. Make quality sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine. Example: think about how great you feel after a full 8 hours of sleep. That's your brain performing at its best. Conclusion: your brain deserves a reset. Your brain is your most powerful tool, but like any tool, it needs care and maintenance. Declutter, unplug, move, and rest. It's not just about resetting your mind today, but creating habits for a lifetime of mental clarity and focus. The best version of you starts with a clear and focused mind. Which step will you take today to reset your brain? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to improve your life. Let's create mental clarity together. Always remember, reset your mind, reset your life.